Once again, we must learn from the geopolitical situation that's happening around us now. Without unity, without overcoming our differences, we cannot be strong. We say that we support Palestine, but if we are weak, how can we support Palestine? For that, D8 must be united. We must work together to be united. We must leave behind our differences. We must look for the greater good of our peoples. Without unity, without integration, we will be weak. And if we are weak, we will be exploited. That is the law of history.